How to make love to a man who is impotent using 5 simple erectile dysfunction cures coming up in this video. Hey, it's Vikram, your sex guru. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here and you're looking to learn about all things sex, make sure you hit the subscribe button now and turn on bell notifications so that you don't miss anything. The truth is, most men who do suffer impotence do so alone and not discuss anything with their partner. But with these simple 5 erectile dysfunction cures that I'm going to share with you today, you'll find out that it's a lot easier to deal with impotency and have great sex once again. Tip number 1, have sex without any expectations. Impotence has been called a man's problem and a woman's worst nightmare. You know, impotence can really kill the sexual relationship and sometimes the entire relationship itself. But is it really the poor sex life that's the issue, or the expectations that we place on how good sex needs to be? You know, sexual anxiety can crop up anytime and really kill a man's erections. How do you solve this? Simply cut down on your expectations. Focus on having a good time instead of the stuff that is not working out. The myth that penetrative sex is all that sex is about is what is actually defeating you in the bedroom. So just take it easy. Stop breaking your head when things don't work out. Just flow with it and seek to have a good time. This will slowly build up your sexual confidence, and over a period of time, you will be able to improve the quality of your sexual sessions. Tip number 2, make the experience sensual, not stressful. Train yourself to become aware of every aspect of touch that your partner is giving you or you are giving your partner. Break out of that routine that sex needs to be a boring, monotonous activity. Reduce that stress. Reawaken the experience of sex and examine what your senses are actually telling you. Pay special attention to the kind of touch that your partner likes. Notice their response. If they are getting aroused, great. If they aren't, look at doing things another way. Explore what calms you and your partner down, as well as what really turns you on. Change your perspective and restart that sex game. Even when you feel like that last session was not perfect, don't stress. Just relax and see how it can be improved the next time. Tip number 3, shift the focus. Concentrate less on the genitals and focus a little bit more on other forms of touch and seduction. Find your partner's erogenous zones. You know, your entire body is a sexual organ with a lot of nerve endings. Really examine where your partner likes to be touched and keep discovering what turns each other on together. Sometimes the best way to deal with impotency is to move things away from the penis and shift the focus. Tip number 4, build up, then step up. Build up that sexual tension on a daily basis in the relationship. Gently tease each other. Hint at the prospect of sex. Tell your partner what you'd like to do to them while you're alone. Hey baby, you know what I'm gonna do to you tonight? The key here is to not give in to your sexual desires immediately. Build up that sexual tension over a couple of days at least. Prolong it if you can. The point of this is to really build up that sexual tension and excitement until you can't really keep your hands off of each other anymore. Then finally head to the bedroom when both of you are super duper sexually aroused. Tip number 5, give it patience and time. You know, a lot of men fail to understand that conditions like impotency, in other words, erectile dysfunction, don't really disappear overnight. See, it takes time in order to set up healthier habits that will promote better blood flow and therefore better erections. Remember, sex is never going to be perfect every single time. When you perform poorly on certain occasions, it really has nothing to do with your overall capacity to have sex. Just because you're suffering from a little bit of erectile difficulty right now, it doesn't mean that you really have a condition like erectile dysfunction. That usually requires a thorough consultation with a sexual health professional and a detailed history. Also, what you need to know is that just popping a Viagra is not a permanent solution for this problem. Taking care of your mind and body is where real change can begin in order to improve your sexual performance. So try to be a little more kind to your partner, and don't forget to be a little kind to your own self as well. Strive to support each other and really try to work your way out of this situation, not deeper into it. So break the pattern, try something new, support each other instead of always trying to point the finger. The blame game never really helps anyone. So why do it anyway? Remember, it takes two hands to clap and two people who are on the same sexual wavelength in order to have a great sexual experience. Work together, seek to find a solution, and you will never have to suffer from impotency ever again. If you're looking for a full-fledged training system that shows you step by step how you can go about creating an amazing sex life, then check out the Verbal Love Potion training system down in the description box below, or check out the website right here. It'll tell you exactly what you need to do in order to have an amazing sex life and deal with any problem that you may come across. And if you're looking for more free sex tips, make sure you hit the I button and check out the best sex playlist. In the meantime, if you found this video useful, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and comment down below. Ask me any questions that you have, as well as what you really learned in this video and what you're going to apply first. And if you're looking to learn about all things sex, really take your sex life to the next level, then make sure you hit that subscribe button now and turn on bell notifications so that you never miss another video. This is Vikram signing off, and I'll see you in the next session.